Has this ever happened to you? That alarm goes off, but you hit that little snooze button. Now it's an hour later and you're late for work. Well, luckily, you don't have to do that anymore with the false alarm clock. With Get Your Ass Up technology, the false alarm clock makes sure you don't lean on that snooze button. We'll get you to work whether you want to be there or not. For just 43 simple payments of 73 cents, the false alarm clock can be yours. Take it from this lucky fella.
What am I doing at work in my pajamas?
Well, I got you to work, didn't I? That's what I said I was gonna do.
I'm in my pajamas.
I don't know, nigga, sleep in a suit. God damn, I gotta wipe your ass for you too? Ungrateful ass.
Call now and we'll also include this special dome pan.